This is a makeup tutorial inspired by Kareena Kapoor. First, I'm going to start by using my Huda Beauty Peach color corrector, and then I'm going to buff it out, and I will follow this up by using my Huda Beauty Full Filter Concealer in the shade Sugar Biscuit. I'm going to let it sit for a few minutes, and then I'm going to buff it out, mostly on the edges, so that I don't interfere with the actual coverage of the product. This is one of my favorite concealers. I feel that it conceals quite well. For a base for my eyeshadow, I'm going to use NYX Cosmetics Can't Stop Won't Stop Concealer in the shade Fair. It's quite a bit lighter than my skin tone, and I feel like it makes some of the colors that I'm going to use pop really well. I'm going to apply it all the way up to almost my brow bone so that anywhere I have eyeshadow, this will be a base. And I'm going to cover it up with just a light dusting of Baby Bake Huda Beauty Loose Powder in the shade Pound Cake. I'm going to take this white eyeshadow from MAC Cosmetics. I can't remember the name, and I'm going to apply it all over both of my lids. You can use any white or light colored eyeshadow for this. I'm going to take the shade Carbon Black by MAC, and I'm going to apply it just above where my crease is and then kind of smoke out the edges. I'm going to use my BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil Rio edition, and I took this beautiful violet shade to use all over both of my lids. Now I'm going to use MAC Glider Dye pencil and underline and overline my eyes with this. And I'm also going to do this pencil in my waterline. Taking NYX Cosmetics It's Giving Jade green pencil and doing the under inner corners of my eyes with it. Now going to use this flat angled brush to smoke out the liners that I have applied. NYX Epic Ink Liner in the shade Black to create a small wing, and this shimmer from BH Cosmetics 2000 Remix palette. Using this green from BH Cosmetics palette called Absinthe, and making the green I've already applied pop a little bit more. This one has a bit of shimmer to it. Taking this white highlighter from the brand Flower Nose and doing my inner corners, and then following up preparing my lashes for falsies by using Huda Beauty One Coat Wow mascara, and then applying Ioni brand Faux Mink lashes over top of those. For foundation, I'm using Huda Beauty Easy Blur foundation in the shade Custard. I've already applied Huda Beauty Easy Blur primer prior to this. Rare Beauty Liquid Contour in the shade Solace on my temples, cheekbones, and jawline, as well as I'm going to be contouring my nose. I like to blend this in seamlessly using a flat oval brush. And I use just a flat brush for my nose. Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Blush in the shade Cheer is going to give me that beautiful flush look that she has. This is a light pink blush with just a hint of shimmer to it. For lipstick, I'm going to be using Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk in the shade Fair, and I've lined it with Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat Lip Intense liner. And here is my final makeup look. If you've made it to the end of this tutorial, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any more of my videos. I would love to see you again. Thanks so much, and I will see you next time.